Good afternoon, everyone. Now I'll move towards the financial status of the company. Taking the example, this is the profit and loss account of the company. The first, I'll just explain with the headings of it. The first is the ground rent. The 6,000 rupees was the ground rent. Basically, this was 6,000 rupees divided by 4, that is 1,500 a day. So we were being charged 1,500 by for the NMC for the actual ground rent, ground maintenance. As you know, NMC grounds are not well maintained, so we had to first. This was the major challenge faced by us, that we had to clean the ground first, then only it was ready for the event. These were the other expenses. The main expense was price expenses, which was 16,000. That included 11,000 as the first price, 5,000 as the second price. And the net profit generated by us was 10,001 rupees, because we had received 22,000 rupees as the money received from the teams, and we had generated 19 sponsors. By that we got 19,000 rupees as a sponsorship price. So the actual status goes to 41,601, and the net profit is 10,001 rupees. This is the balance sheet of the company. Taking the loan with the initial capital received from the company from Octave was 5,000 rupees. That was the major benefit which we had got we got the basic financial support from the college. By that we could raise some funds and do the preliminary expenses. And the total was 15,000 rupees. Now I'll just move on towards the market equilibrium, the pricing conditions. As in the terms of economics, the law of demand says that as the price increases, the demand of it decreases. Taking an example, suppose we had thought of that we keep the price at 599. We were expecting 30 to 35 teams, and at 999 we had actually received 25 teams, and 1499 we were expecting 20 teams. So this is the chart which shows that at 599 we get 30 teams, at 999 we get 25 teams, and 1499 we get 20 teams. So this was the main market scenario where we had thought, and this survey was carried out by all of us by going through each and every colleges of Nagpur. We had approximate visited 30-35 colleges where we got majorly we would be only able to pay 999. We did not keep this as 1,000 because 1 rupees for a person matters a lot. If 1 rupee is less, it goes to 3-digit number, and if it is 1,000, it is 4-digit number. Person thinks that no, there is 3-digit number, so we can afford. It is just a difference of 1 rupees, but that's a psychological pricing given to the person. Now I'll just hand it over stage 2, Dave.
Thank you, Pranku. Moving ahead, next are the team challenges we faced. And if you ask me to pick up the one challenge that we may face as a team was of getting the registration of teams, and also with this finding the proper venue. First, it was decided that we should the venue will be the Gandhinagar ground. But later on, as we move ahead, as the couple of days were only remaining for the tournament, we came to know that the ground was handed over to the for the Durga Puja festival. So we were in a big crisis, but we maintained our calmness, and then we went to the NMC office for the NMC ground at Ramnagar, and then it also make us learn one thing that always Chandra sir says, never assume anything. So assumption was a big mistake from our side, and getting a legal proof for anything would be a very much easier for us, as we can say it as our learnings. And moving ahead in challenges are the getting sponsors. Yes. Getting sponsors means going to each and every business house and asking them for sponsors, and quite obvious they are always busy, and whatever time they give us we go to that time, but whenever we went there they are busy, and most of the time we used to meet with their assistants only, but somehow we were able to manipulate their minds and get the sponsorships. And next were the getting the registration of teams. And as explained previously, we went to 30 to 35 colleges, and we met with each and every HOD of each and every department, and talked with each and every individual with whom we met. And so getting the registration of the team can be said as the backbone of our event, because without teams there would not be any cricket event. And so getting work done in time is, as said, like cleaning the ground and getting all the kind of facilities on the ground and managing everything on time was the